Hello everybody, welcome back to our Suzuki Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change fader and balance on your Suzuki. So I'm on Suzuki Infotainment. Now what are we going to do is we're going to go over into settings. We're going to select media and we're going to go to sound. Here in sound, we got fader/balance. And what we want to do is we want to select our balance. So for example, we can move the balance right here. We can also move it with our finger. As you guys can see, we can move it straight into the driver's seat. Now this is where we will hear the entire sound. Of course, I do not recommend changing it unless you really have good plans for it. To be honest, I really feel like the default setting is probably the best. And that's what I'm using, but you can change it yourself and let me know in the comments what setting you find helpful here. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.